Okay, today we're going to veganize box cake mix. This is a Duncan Hines product. Quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion, it's just what I'm using. First we're going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the ingredients, we're going to use some spray olive oil to lightly coat the cake pan. This is a 13 by 9 cake pan. This helps the cake or prevents the cake from sticking to the glass Pyrex pan. Just using a silicone brush to evenly distribute the spray. You don't need a lot. And full disclaimer here, I have not checked to make sure the sugar is not made with bone char in the frosting or in the cake mixture. You can do that research if you want. I don't have an answer for you on that. Okay. And my youngest daughter is going to help me make this cake. So there's the box cake mix. Now it calls for eggs. We're obviously not going to use eggs. We're going to make it vegan. It calls for 1 cup of water. I'm also going to add some ground flaxseed. The ground flaxseed and water together will act as an egg substitute, and so will these 2 little cups of plain applesauce. Calls for oil. We're not going to add any oil. About a big tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 cup of water, and then 2 of these little cups of plain applesauce. And again, there's no oil. And the applesauce and the ground flaxseed kind of take the place of the egg. It makes it a little bit healthier. And that's it. Once it's fully mixed, you go ahead and dump it into the cake pan. And the oven's fully heated up now to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can make your own cake mix from scratch. You don't have to buy the box cake mix. I just find it quick and easy to do it this way. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the cake in the oven for about 22 minutes. And then we'll check in the center with a fork. And the fork comes out clean, it's good to go. Yep, you can see it's not doughy. So we're good to go. And now we're just going to take the lemon frosting. This is a lemon cake. And evenly distribute the frosting over the top of the cake and then spread it out. And again, I thought I saw online that the Duncan Hines products are vegan, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. So if that's a concern of yours, you may want to do your own homework on that. You just can take the spoon and go back and forth. The youngest daughter did a great job helping me out on this today. And as far as decorations, that's up to your personal preference or whatever the holiday is that you're celebrating if you do a cake. I hope this short little video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.